Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to add a collab on an Instagram post after posting. If you're new to the channel, please consider hitting the subscribe button down below, and once you've done that, please leave a like down below and let's get started. I will guide you on how to add a collab on an Instagram post after posting. Now, the first thing you're going to do is to go to your Instagram account and select a specific post that you want to add a collab with, and click on the three dots on the upper right corner of your post. And in here, you'll see different kinds of options, but you're going to click on the edit. And as you can see on the top portion of the post, you can see an add partnership label, and you will toggle on that button. And as you can see that you don't have the collab button in this section. Now what you're going to do is to go back to your profile and click on the hamburger icon on the upper right corner, and you'll see the settings, and you'll see different options in here. So you'll click on settings. Once you're in the settings page, click on help and click on report a problem. Now in here, you're going to explain your problem regarding on the collab button for your account. You are going to briefly explain that you are missing the collab button for your Instagram posts in your account, and you want Instagram to fix it. Once you're done typing your explanation for your problem, you might hit send and wait for Instagram to give you a feedback on your problem regarding on your collab button. I hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and stay updated for more tutorials.